today we're taking a closer look at this beautiful cabinet. I received it as a gift and I wanted to show you my top favorite things about it. First of all, it is super adorable. It does not look like it is made out of metal, but it is. We have this very cute golden handles and we have magnets right here at the top, so once you close it, it stays nice and shut. Inside we have this shelves and you can adjust the height to whatever you like, and it is super easy to do, so that's very nice. The whole thing is very nice and sturdy. I have no problem with it whatsoever. At the end of our feet we have these screws. If the floor isn't level, you can easily level it out. The shelf itself is made out of nice thick metal, so it's not flimsy or anything. Also, I wanted to mention that installation was super easy. It took us about 30 minutes start to finish, so it was very simple and easy to install. The quality is very nice. It is nice and sturdy. It looks very pretty in home, so wherever you need a little cabinet, definitely check this one out. I absolutely love it. Totally recommend it.